Who is visiting her friends? Visiting her friends, Kukang. Okay, these are her friends. The parakeets and the budgies. And we have also the cockatiels. Those cockatiels. Okay. And we have also African lovebirds on the sides and the budgies. And Kukung is the only the Indian ringneck here because the other pairs are upstairs. Come here. Come na. Come here. It's raining na. It's almost raining. Come over. We're outside the house, guys. Come here, Kukang. Come. Come. Wow. Wow. Very good. Come here. Come here, Kukang. Very good in exhibition. Hi, what are you saying, guys? Hi, Rocket. Rocket. Okay, that's Rocket. This is Violet. We have also other birds over there. Si Bomo. Oh, what happened to your face? Oh, no. Bye-bye, guys.